Hello and thanks for watching. This is Jonathan Greenberg, Solutions Engineer with KINETICA, and in this segment we'll show you how to connect a billion-row dataset to Tableau, powered by a live connection to the KINETICA GPU Accelerated Database. But first, let's quickly review how KINETICA accelerates best-of-breed business intelligence and data visualization. KINETICA is an enterprise-class distributed in-memory columnar relational database that harnesses the power of thousands of graphical processing cores to enable users of business intelligence tools such as Tableau with unprecedented levels of query speed and data scale. The KINETICA database is built from the ground up to handle massive computational workloads, utilizing the parallel processing architecture of GPUs, which are ideal for scanning terabyte-sized datasets, bringing brute force compute more commonly used with complex algorithms to BI tools and platforms. From Tableau, KINETICA looks like any other relational database, with tables, rows, and columns, and is SQL 92 compliant. Data is held in memory and persisted to disk, and offers data ingest speeds that can be scaled anywhere from millions to billions of rows per second. As a result, KINETICA is ideal for provisioning data for OLAP workloads typical to operational Tableau dashboards. GPUs are supported across all the mainstream server hardware vendors and cloud service providers. Implementations typically realize significant cost performance benefits over CPU-bound in-memory databases and specialized appliances. In summary, GPU acceleration changes the game for fast data analytics, location-based analytics, and predictive analytics, all from a KINETICA database. With the ability to ingest multiple modern streaming data sources such as Kafka, NiFi, Spark, and Storm. The ability to scale out linearly on industry-standard hardware, providing enterprise-class security, high availability, and data replication. The ability to offer RESTful APIs, and open source native language bindings for leveraging code from Java, Python, C++, and more. And the ability to provide in-database processing via user-defined functions, allowing AI and BI to run together on the same platform. KINETICA was recognized by the IDC for innovation excellence with a production deployment at the United States Postal Service, implementing real-time analysis of delivery routes so that postal managers can instantly analyze area route optimization via dashboards. This was powered by a KINETICA cluster capturing 250 million events daily, along with thousands of users exploring the data in motion. If you want to see more, please come visit us at kinetica.com. Now let's go to the demo. First, let's open up ODBC Administrator on the Windows 10 desktop to show a sample connection definition to KINETICA. Note that you need your login and password, KINETICA server IP or domain, and ODBC server port. Then click Advanced Options and add the URL with the KINETICA server IP or domain and KINETICA server port. And that's it. So now when you open Tableau and select ODBC, the connection dialog will open and the drop-down will show your KINETICA ODBC definition. And from here, you simply connect and sign in. Then the Data Source tab will open within the Tableau workbook, and from here, you can select your database. And now you can import your table metadata. Today we're working with the public New York City taxi dataset, spanning several years of taxi trip data, over 1 billion rows. Now let's open up a new worksheet and explore the dataset. First, let's use the built-in Tableau function to check the total number of rows in our dataset. We can see we're connected to over 1 billion rows of live data. Now let's perform a quick slice and dice. Let's do the same analysis, but explore using Tableau's visualization. Now let's drill down into more detail. From here we can explore different Tableau visualizations for better insights. Interesting, this visualization renders almost 5,000 data points in sub-second. But we've demonstrated that exploration of billion-row datasets from Tableau is not only possible, but highly performant from the KINETICA database. So now let's go ahead and open up a sample Tableau dashboard where we can demonstrate multiple charts, all aggregating at once on the page across different time series and calculations. Note that we have the same billion row plus data set. We see 4 charts, each aggregating across 2 different time series, year and month, and calculating growth on the fly in sub-second time. It's important to note there are no indexes on this data set. It's just brute force computation. It's also important to note that this demo is running from a Windows desktop that is connecting through VPN over the internet to a remote KINETICA server. Using Tableau features, we can interact selecting attributes to filter, and results are returned quickly, which should delight users. First, let's select a range of years. Now let's select a set of months. Now let's use the checkbox filters to clear and iterate. Now we can zoom into a chart and drill down and aggregate to several levels of time series detail on the fly. Now we can start to explore more detailed patterns that only come from using much broader and deeper sets of data, opening up new opportunities for Tableau users to gain even more powerful insights faster than ever before by combining the brute force computation power of the KINETICA database and GPUs. This concludes our demo, and we hope this was helpful in demonstrating how easy it is to connect and accelerate business intelligence from Tableau with KINETICA.